Hello, grade 7 students. Hope you enjoyed your long weekend and by now you have got your school vacations also. So then you can work more, so you can practice and you can go through all these lessons as you are at home now because of the school holidays, right? So as per our schedule, today first we need to discuss the homework questions. If you can remember that you want to discuss uh, these questions, right? That I ask you to do exercise. Yeah, so we want to start from exercise 1D, and these are the questions that you want to do 16 to 20, right? 16 to 20. So what I do here, that as I'm not moving to my whiteboard, I will write the answers here itself. So then you can mark the answers, take the pink color pen and mark your answers. So then from question number 16 onwards, so this is how you want to write. If you have something like this, 5 to the power negative 3, the next step is 1 over 5 to the power 3. What we do, children? We convert the negative index into positive index that you want to get the reciprocal, right? So then if you have 5 to the power 3, you know what to do. 5 times 5 times 5. But if it is the 5 to the power negative 3, that we don't have any idea what to do. So first what we need to do, we need to convert the negative index into positive index. So then here we have 1 over 5 times 5 times 5. Then the answer is 1 over 125. 1 over 125. Right? 5 times 5, 25. 25 times 5, 125. So then here you want to read the question carefully. You want to write the value or find the value. So then we will move to question number 17. So that is 10 to the power negative 2. So then what I do? 1 over 10 to the power 2. So then I write 1 over 10 times 10. So then here I write 1 over 100. That is the final answer. So then question number 18, I do have 2 to the power negative 3. Then I write 1 over 2 to the power 3. What does this mean? 1 over 2 times 2 times 2. So then the answer is 1 over 8. Right? So this is how you want to write the answers. Right? So then we want to write the question number 19. 19, we do have 10 to the power negative 1. So then we write 1 over 10 to the power 1. So that means simply 1 over 10. So then the 20th one, I'll write here as I have space. 8 to the power negative 2. Then we write 1 over 8 to the power 2. So then we write 1 over 8 times 8, and the final answer is 1 over 64. So please check whether you got the answers like this. And keep this in your mind. Don't go for shortcuts. You just see that how many minutes I spent to do these 5 questions. So don't go for shortcuts. Always follow all the steps I have mentioned here. Right? Sometimes when you go to school, that the different teachers, they prefer to have different methods and they might go with the shortcuts, but I prefer and I recommend and I suggest you to follow all the steps, because one fine day we should sit for the O-level exam and we should be able to adhere to the O-level exam marking scheme. So there you have marks for the steps too, right? So this is question 16 to 20. So those are the 5 questions that you had first. So then we will move to question number 26 to 30. So those questions, I think it's better to do in my whiteboard because I need to have more space for that. So I'll go to the whiteboard. Now the question I have 4.67, right? So 4.67 multiplied by 10 to the power negative 5, right? So first of all, you want to understand 10 to the power negative 5 means 1 over 10 to the power of 5. So that means 1 over 1 and then 5 zeros. So what does this mean? That 4.67 you multiplied by 1 over 100,000 means that you are dividing 4.67 by 100,000. Okay, like this. So then what will be the answer? 0.0004. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, we need to have another 0. Right? 0, 0, 0, 4, 6, 7. Right? So you know when it is that when you are dividing, to which direction you should move. So then that becomes that we'll see that whether we have come to the correct number of steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, we have come correct number of steps. So then the next one, 3.063. 3.063. When you have 3.063 and 10 to the power negative 1, and we know 10 to the power negative 1 means 1 over 10. So then what we do that we have 3.063 multiplied by 1 over 10. So that means 3.063 divided by 10. So then what will be my answer? 0.3063. Okay. So then this is how we want to get the answer. Then we will move to the next question. 2.805. 2.805. So then we write 2.805 multiplied by 10 to the power negative 2. Negative 2. So then what I write? 10 to the power negative 2 means 1 over 10 to the power 2. So that means 1 over 100, right? So then I rewrite this 2.805 multiplied by 1 over 100. So this means you want to divide 2.805 by 100. So then my answer will be 0.02805. 2805, right? So I have come 2 steps. So then we have come to the 29th question, 51.73. So then the next question, 51.73. 51.73 multiplied by 10 to the power negative 4. Which is that the correct question? 10 to the power negative 4, yes. So then 10 to the power negative 4, I write that 1 over 10 to the power 4, and then I write 1 over 10,000. So then here I write 51.73 multiplied by 1 over 10,000. Right? So then the 1 over 7,000 in 51.73. So then 10,000. So then the answer will be 0.005173. Right? 0.005173. So then the next one, 30.04. 30 point here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 30.04. So wait, move to the next question. It is 30.04. So then I write here 30.04, 10 to the power of negative 1. So then we know 10 to the power of negative 1 means 1 over 10. So then when I have 30.04 multiplied by 1 over 10, then simply it is 30.04 divided by 10. Then the final answer 3.004. Right? So that is the 30th question. So we quickly go through and see whether we have done this correctly. The first thing you want to do that I'll take the black color pen and I segregate the questions. Otherwise, that you can't see them. So this is the first question you want to do under this one. That is not the number 1, but that I'm just telling out of the questions. This is the first one you want to do. And here that we have 10 to the power negative 5. So then 1 over 100,000. So then the next one we have, I segregate like this. So then you can see the next one. So then 0.30. So then the next one you want to divide this by 100. So then you want to move 2 steps, 0.02805. And here that you have negative 4, that becomes, to convert to positive 4, you want to take it to the denominator. Now when you divide 10,000, it should be 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4 steps, so then you want to come 4 steps. Right? So then the next one you have only 1 step comes, so then the 30.04 become 3.004. Right? So that is all about these 5 questions that we'll see. That what do we have? So we have 36 to 40. Here I will write the answer. Question number 36 you have. How do you write, children? 10 to the power 3 minus 6. Why I'm writing like that? You can see, wait, I will write the full question so then you have an idea. Later I can go for the short method. So then here we have 10 to the power 3, right? 10 to the power 3 divided by 10 to the power of 6. So then we do have 10 to the power of 3 minus 6, because it's a division. No? So then I get the answer 10 to the power of negative 3. Can I do something for this answer? No. Why? Because they have asked me to keep the answer in index form. Therefore, I just keep it as, by any chance, if they have asked me to keep the final answer as a positive index, so then you can convert that 10 to the power negative 3 down. But if need, that you can write that step also, right, like this. Yeah, you can write it like this. So then they might give you either to the last step or before that. So then we'll move to question number 37. The answer here that I'm just writing, I'm not writing the question here, b to the power 5 minus 9. So then b is negative. So then 38, 4 to the power 8 divided by 4 to the power 3. So then the 4 to the power 8 minus 3. So then the 4 to the power 5. 8 minus 3, it is 5. So then question number 39, that it is c to the power of 5 minus 4. So then the answer is c to the power of 1. Even though the value is just c, I keep it as c to the power of 1 because they have asked me to keep the answer in index form. So then the 40th one that I write it 2 to the power of a minus b. That's all. That we can't do anything because we don't know the value of a and b. Right? So then we just write it like this. So double check your answers. Question number 36. It is negative 3, and then the 37 you have negative 4. So then the next one 38 you have positive number 8 minus 3, and then the next one 5 minus 4, and then the last one you don't have any other values or the index value or anything. We just write it as a minus b because we don't know the value of a and b. Right? Okay, children. So then what you want to do after this, you want to move to this one. So this will be your, wait, I will give you that what is the homework you want to do today. So then these are the homework sums you want to do. Only this part, right? Only this part. That means simply the underlined sums in this the exercise. So the exercise 1E, only the underlined sums. Okay, children. So then we'll meet again tomorrow. Complete the homework. And before winding up the session, I'm just going through the answers that if you need by any chance, So then I'm slowly moving, right? So then you can pause the video and mark anything if there is any missed item, right? I'm just showing. This. So then we do have that we want to do this question number 16 onwards. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. I wrote them in different places. So then we have question number 26 to 30, which I showed you the answers. And then here, the answers for 36 to 40. Okay, children, so then as the homework, you want to complete exercise 1E, all these underlined sums. We'll meet again tomorrow. Till then, stay safe. Bye, children.